Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Roofers are the most qualified to install attic fans. Mounted one on your roofline. Roofers charge between $45 and $75 per hour. If your fan is electric or solar powered, you will also need to hire an electrician to wire the fan to your home's electric supply, or to properly mount one and connect the solar panels.
Let's help you make your mark.
Vents that run along the roof ridge are an alternative to those that exit through the roof decking or gables, and if the ridge is long enough, they may be the only roof vents you need. As long as you have enough space at the base of the roof for an equal amount of soffit vents, you shouldn't need a fan.
Take our lead.
A licensed electrician can ensure that all aspects of your project will be completed correctly. Your pro will help you choose a standard attic ventilation fan, assess your intake and exhaust ventilation, run wiring, make sure exterior installations are weatherproof, and set your fan's controls and thermostat properly.
Take our lead.
Even if your roof already has ridge vents and plenty of ventilation built in, it's a good idea to install gable fans or roof fans to help blow hot, humid air out of the attic. Attic ventilation fans also tend to be quite energy efficient in terms of their own operation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.